How to connect your games into GitHub. First, download GitHub if you have not done already. After you download GitHub, log in. If you don't have an account, create an account, and it should show you a screen similar to this. If you have already created a GitHub repository in the past, you can just simply go up here, click Add New Repository, or you can click over here and click this to create one also. After you click Add New Repository, if you have not made a GitHub repository in the past, it should say like you could create first repository or something similar to that. Over here, you can give your GitHub repository a name. Let's say call it game. I don't know, game A or something. Or B. Let's say game B. Over here. You don't have to, but it's recommended for safety of your game. Click over here and select your game if you're let's say using I don't know Rust to code. Click on Rust. Let's say if you're using C++, click C++. Pretty sure there's even like Unity and stuff like that. Or they even have to save now. Uh, After you click on this, you can just simply click create repository. It should automatically take you to your repository that you've just made. It will be empty, but it's okay. I'm going to show you two ways to connect your Godot game to your repository that you've just made. First way, you can create a new game. When you create a new game, you can click on the file or select file location and then select on your GitHub repository. And you can just simply create new game. Another way, under your game title, it should say the location of your game. Let's say E2. You can click on your file reader or file organizer and then open your GitHub repository and drag and drop your game. When you do that, it should, yes, it did, it should do something similar to this, saying all these stuff are brand new. Let's say odd game or something like that over here to save your updated thing. Now, if you click history, you can over here it shows you the past and it saves it. Over here, it also shows you the now. If you click this or something similar to that, you can go through the history and then downgrade your game to an older version. That's one way and another way. But you're saying, but now when I open Godot, it shows this. It's mainly because we moved the location of the game. You can click import and then click on the location of your GitHub repository that you've made. And then it should show you the file. After you double click on that, it should show you the file that you have moved the game to, or the game file. It should automatically open the game. After it loads to prevent errors and stuff, just close it. Simply close it. Now, when you double click on Godot, it should place it back. But you're saying, why is it still over here? Just right click and click remove. And now you have moved your game back into Godot. Now, if you just double click on it, it should show you your game. Safe and sound. Now, when you run it, it should run normal. like that. So you're saying, what if I change something in the game? Let's say I change the location of this guy and then save it. What should happen? Yep. In the GitHub repository, it should show this or show something similar to this. You can now give it another name. Let's say, I don't know, L. And when you click on this, it should show you this. But sometimes there's errors. Always check over here and make sure everything's okay. After you have done that, over here, it says publish. When you publish it, it's going to tell you what should you name your GitHub thing. Let's say rag. I don't know why. Doll. Ragdoll. Now when I click it, it publishes it. It's loading. And now, over here, it says view on GitHub. Now it takes you to the GitHub repository. And now you can see every single thing in your GitHub repository. Like over here, the scenes, GD script over here, the script I used, and on and on. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment. Whatever the top comment is will be added into the game. Floppy Fisher. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.